Marriott Bonvoy Bevy American Express Card Review 2025 Worth it or leave it. If you have ever looked at a hotel credit card and wondered whether it is actually saving you money or quietly draining your wallet, you are not alone. Most people get this wrong, but here is why. They focus on the welcome bonus and forget about the long game. They think a free night alone justifies the card, but they ignore how the card fits into their real travel habits. Today, you are going to discover the surprising truth about one of the most talked about mid-tier hotel cards, the Marriott Bonvoy Bevy American Express card. By the end of this video, you will know exactly who this card is designed for, how much real value it can deliver in 2025, and whether it deserves a spot in your wallet or should be left on the table. Let's start with what this card actually is. The Marriott Bonvoy Bevy card is positioned between Marriott's entry-level hotel cards and its ultra-premium luxury cards. It is designed for travelers who stay at Marriott properties a few times a year and want elevated rewards without paying the highest annual fees in the market. In 2025, this card carries a moderate annual fee, which immediately raises an important question. Can the benefits really justify that cost? Let's talk about how you earn points. This card earns 6 Marriott Bonvoy points per dollar spent at Marriott hotels worldwide. That includes room rates, dining at participating hotels, and other eligible on-property purchases. On restaurants and eligible dining purchases, the card earns 4 points per dollar. On grocery store purchases, you also earn 4 points per dollar. On all other purchases, you earn 2 points per dollar. At first glance, these numbers may not sound impressive, but here is the surprising truth. Marriott points may not be worth as much individually as some airline miles, but the earning rate is high enough that the total value can add up quickly. Now let's talk about the welcome bonus. You cardholders typically receive a substantial welcome offer after meeting a spending requirement within the first few months. This bonus can easily be enough to cover multiple free hotel nights, depending on how you redeem your points. This is where many people first feel that the card is worth it, but the real question is what happens after the bonus is gone. Now let's talk about the annual free night certificate. Every year after your card anniversary, you receive a free night award that can be used at eligible Marriott properties up to a certain point value. This free night alone can often be worth more than the annual fee if you use it strategically. For example, if you redeem your free night at a popular city hotel during peak travel season, you could easily save $200 to $300 or more on a single stay. That already puts you ahead of the annual fee. Now let's talk about Elite status. The Bevy card automatically gives you complimentary Marriott Bonvoy Gold Elite status. This comes with benefits like bonus points on stays, priority late checkout when available, and enhanced room upgrades at participating hotels. While Gold status is not the highest tier, it still provides noticeable benefits that can make your stays more comfortable and rewarding. Another important benefit is the ability to earn Elite Night credits each year. These credits help you move closer to higher tiers of status, such as Platinum and Titanium, which come with even more valuable perks like free breakfast, lounge access, and guaranteed late checkout. Now let's talk about everyday spending. This card is not just a hotel card. It offers solid earning rates on dining and groceries, which makes it usable as a daily card. If you dine out frequently or spend heavily on groceries, you can accumulate Marriott points much faster than you might expect. Now let's look at a real-life example. Imagine you spend $1,000 per month on groceries and dining combined. At 4 points per dollar, that is 4,000 points per month, or 48,000 points per year. Add in a couple of Marriott hotel stays and your free night certificate, and you could easily be looking at multiple free nights every year just from normal spending. Now let's talk about travel protections. The Bevy card includes standard American Express travel benefits such as baggage insurance, car rental loss and damage insurance, and purchase protection. These features may not be glamorous, but they provide peace of mind and can save you significant money if something goes wrong. Another major perk is the lack of foreign transaction fees. This makes the card a solid option for international travel, allowing you to earn points abroad without paying extra fees on each purchase. Now let's talk about what this card is not. This card is not designed for ultra-luxury travelers who want the highest possible status, lounge access, and top-tier perks. Marriott has higher-end cards that offer more benefits for that audience. The Bevy card is also not ideal for people who rarely stay at Marriott properties. If you only stay at hotels once a year or less, it may be hard to justify the annual fee. Now let's answer the main question. Is the Marriott Bonvoy Bevy American Express card worth it in 2025? For travelers who stay at Marriott properties a few times per year, dine out often, and want a simple way to earn free nights? The answer is yes. The annual free night certificate alone can easily offset the annual fee. Add in the welcome bonus, everyday earning rates, and Gold Elite status, and the value becomes even clearer. However, if you rarely travel or prefer other hotel brands, this card may not be the best fit for you. Here is your final takeaway. The Marriott Bonvoy Bevy card strikes a strong balance between affordability and benefits. It rewards both your travel spending and your everyday purchases, and it gives you meaningful perks without overwhelming complexity. If you are loyal to Marriott or want to be, this card deserves serious consideration. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves to travel smarter. Your everyday spending can turn into your next hotel stay, and the right card can make that happen faster than you think.